And as far as the Philippine National Police is concerned, merong isang senador na nagbumungkahi na pababain yung edad na papanagutin yung mga batang na involved sa krimen. Is the PNP in favor of this amendment?
The PNP is supporting the lowering the age of criminal responsibility po.
Age what, Colonel?
We are thinking 12 years old po.
Salamat.
Sir, going back po dun sa Juvenile Justice Welfare Act, why does the Philippine National Police support the lowering of age to 12 from the current 15?
Hindi naman po linggid sa kaalaman nyo siguro, ma'am, na medyo nagkakaproblema na po tayo. As a matter of fact, we studied yung data, yung statistics po natin, medyo tumataas po yung nai-involve na mga CICL, yung mga children in conflict with the law. Kaya po sa amin ay titignan rin po naman kung may acted with discernment, di ba? Hindi mo naman kumbaga arbitrarily na kasama na kagad sila. Titignan pa rin naman po kung alam naman po nila ang kanilang ginagawa.
And base po dito sa data na sinasabi ninyo, ano po yung pinakabata na na-involve doon sa mga crime cases?
I cannot tell you with certainty right now, but as young, we have as young as 9, mga ganun po na ano. Although not that serious na mga krimen po.
And last na lang po, quick clarification lang. Yun pong sinasabi ninyo kanina na ang kinoconsider possibly baka online community yung may malaking influence dun sa dalawang minors sa Tacloban. Does it mean na sineset aside na po natin yung angulo na bullying or do we still consider other angles? Ilang angulo po yung tinitingnan natin?
I don't think that it's mutually exclusive po. They could have been bullied and then it further strengthened yung influence po ng online content sa kanila.